The second type of problem, we're going to do the same way. We're going to use the sum and difference formulas, but we're going to use or start with things that aren't necessarily on the unit circle. So this is kind of what I'm dealing with. I know what sine of u is, and I know what cosine of v is. And I know that u and v are in the third quadrant. So it looks something like this. Third quadrant, angle u, sine is -7/25. So it looks like that. For v, it's in the third quadrant, and cosine is -4/5. So we could find the other parts of the triangle if we wanted to. In fact, this is a 3, 4, 5, so that'd be -3. And then if I did Pythagorean theorem there, I'd have -7 squared plus x squared equals 25 squared. So I get 24, so 7, 24, and it's going to be negative because it's in the third quadrant. So if I want to find sine of u minus v, I'm going to need to use my sum and difference formulas. So the difference formula on this one would be sine of u, cosine of v, subtract cosine of u, sine of v. And I already know that sine of u is -7/25. I know cosine of v is -4/5. And I want to subtract cosine of u, so I got to go to my triangle. Cosine would be -24/25. And sine of v would be -3/5. So then I'm just doing some computation here. -7 times -4 is 28. And 25 times 5 is 125. Subtract, negative times negative is positive. And 24 times 3 is 72. So then I have 28, subtract 72 is -44 over 125. So that would be my answer. I could find sine, cosine, tangent, all by looking back at these triangles. So you'll have to use Pythagorean theorem on these to find the side that's not known.